Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Samiksha. How's your session?
Yes, sir. It was nice.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kaustu. How's your session? Aishwarya, Kaustu.
Sir, nice.
Nice.
I think Friday you have one more session, na? Physical fitness.
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya,
Sir,
I received your mail.
okay, sir.
What about Kaustu, Samiksha?
Sir, even I have sent you the mail.
I didn't get it, but yeah. Could you please send me again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kaustu?
Sir, I'll send today.
Okay. Aishwarya, you have didn't solve question number 5.
Yes, sir, I had doubt in it.
Okay. So please ask the doubt. What doubt you have?
Sir, I wanted to ask, so what are we supposed to write in that question?
The question what ask you write about the FIBA and the NBA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is FIBA? It operates all over the world. What are the basketball activities? So you have to write Federation of International Basketball Association when it's come to the officially. Which year, which date, where it's the main office. You have to write each and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding the NBA also, I shared one slide with NBA also. So all details mentioned over there. But if you want to write more, if you are get some more knowledge regarding the NBA and FIBA, you can get it from the Google also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? And Aishwarya,
I
you
didn't get the question, but what is mean by backcourt?
backcourt. Okay. Backcourt is the where we are defending and we have to defend. Now there is a violation, what we call as a backcourt. So if we entered at the first time, we have to cross the front court, backcourt, the defensive court, and reach within 8 seconds. There is only 8 seconds. We have to cross the backcourt, that is the defensive court. If you entered in the front court and again you came behind, that is the backcourt. It's a violation. So if you entered at the front court, you are not able to come at the back court. You are not able to pass the ball to the back court also. You have to go and score the basket. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aishwarya, you write in a feet. You have to write in a meters.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Don't write in
Yes.
a feet.
Okay.
Chesta, what your I didn't get your mail regarding basketball questions and answers.
Yes, sir.
Krishna, you also.
Yes, sir.
Regarding question and answer. Today, anyhow, I want those who didn't submit it.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Because at the last, I have to put the marks. So accordingly, what your behavior is, I'll put the marks then. You should punctual at each and every time. I won't because I have to submit to the other person also. If you are giving me a late, so it will impact a bad image. So you should be punctual at time. What about others? Others didn't join yet. Shall we wait for 5 minutes more? Or shall we start? We'll start the session. Okay, I think yesterday we finished over here, no? The circumference, diameter, which size, which group we have to use the ball.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the football terms. If anyone is joining, please tell me, because I have to mark them absent and present. Okay, so football terms. First is advantage rule. This rule is applied when there is no need to stop the play when the foul is noticed by the referee.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I cannot see the screen.
Yes, sir. Even I
Even I
cannot see the
cannot
screen.
see the screen.
okay, wait. I will share one more time. Now, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So, next is topic football terms. So first is advantage rule. The rule is applied when there is no need to stop the play when the foul is noticed by the referee. So when the foul is called or the notice by the referee and there is no need to stop, so it will go to the advantage rule. Next is aggregate score. Please turn off your mic.
Krishna, can you switch on your camera?
Ma'am, I have messaged Pooja ma'am about the problem.
Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna or Chester?
Ma'am, I have messaged Pooja ma'am about the problems I have. So, like, my network is low, so if I switch on the camera, I'm gonna get logged out.
Okay.
Okay, next is aggregate score. This is the average score by the team that play in the club competition. These clubs usually conduct games on the knockout basis. Now everyone knows how to draw a knockout or knows the knockout skill or techniques. Everyone knows knockout term. Speak up fast. Everyone knows knockout or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only Kaustubh is speaking. What about others? What is knockout, Kaustubh? Can you just explain?
So knockout is when the team loses the first match itself, so the team gets knocked out and cannot continue in the tournament.
Yes, correct. And what about the league? What about league basis? Khushi, Krishna. What about the league basis? Krishna, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about what is the league. If you are going for one tournament and there is a league basis matches, so what are the league term?
So does it mean that the matches go this way, like 2 matches go first, then the winner competes with the second winner or something like that?
Yes, correct. So the league is to play with there one like groups are there, A, B, C, D, E, F. It's depend on the how much team come for the competition or the matches. So the team will divide on that groups. So if group A, there are 3 teams. Again group B 3, group C like 3 teams. So you have to if you are in a team or group A, you have to play 2 matches. If you win, then you have to compete with a C group. According who are the it's depend on the how much match you won. If you won one match and you lost one match, so you will become a C2 if you are playing in a C group. So you have to compete a match with A1. So it's depend on the organizing committee. So knockout and league is clear now. The team will be paired to play each other twice. One on the home ground of the both the team. The score is then decided by the adding the score in the both matches. Next is attacker. The term referred to a striker and someone who is close to the goal post of the opposing team. Ball in and out of a play. The ball to be passed out of the play must be found outside the sideline or the goal line. It can be play even if it is the sideline on the sideline. The game continues as long as the ball is in play. Now striker, everyone knows striker. They will play on the offensive or the attacking side of the court. Their job is to score the goal. Their main job is to give the fake, tackle the defensive person or the opposite team player, and they have to score the goal. Next is bicycle kick. Now this is a skill, a technique to using for the score the goal. Bicycle skill. This is a style of a volley where the player kicks the ball over his head while doing a somersault. Now everyone knows somersault.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The player has both his feet off the ground and kick the ball simultaneously while doing a somersault. Now everyone I think observe Messi and Ronaldo. They are using this bicycle kick also so many times. Next is booter, a term used the game which means to kick the ball. To boot means to kick the ball very hard, long and high. Now this is also a skill. If you are a player asking for the ball and he is standing too far from you, so you have to use your power, stamina, skill, and you have to kick the ball very long and high. Next is
Is this somewhat like a lob, sir?
yes,
Is booter somewhat like a lob pass?
yes. We can call as a lob pass also, but lob pass needs a height. Here you have to use the power also, because football field is not a small one, it's a totally big one. If you are a mid defender, you have to pass to your striker or the forward person. You have to kick very hard and very long. Am I right or wrong, Kaustuv?
Yes, sir.
Next is clear. This is used whenever a situation or chance to score the goal arise in the game. The player should immediately clear the ball or kick the ball away from the goal mouth so that a goal can be stopped. Sometimes they even pass the ball, start an attack on the other time. they just boot the ball out of the play. Now, if we are going for the goal position or we have to score the goal, so anyone can, the opposite team player immediately clear the ball and pass. They can pass towards their teammate. Okay. Next is captain, a player who is chosen to lead a team in the match and decide the toss before the match. Now everyone knows the captain, what is captain job. But there are some more points. If you go to the books, there are the captain duties and powers also. If the coach and the manager is not available, assistant coach or head coach, any coach, so they are not available, so all captain duties to lead the team and play the matches till the coaches come. Next is chip, a high and long shot hit so that ball passes over the goalkeeper's head directly to the goal. Now there is a corners also. We can use corners that goalkeeper is not able to reach that corners. So you have to use this skill to score the goal. Above his head, you have to score the goal. Next is dead ball. When the players are stopped and the ball is not moving, this is a dead ball. Such a situation arises when there is a chance for free kick or penalty kick. Now, while the if foul is happened or the ball went out and crossed the touch lines or the sideline, it went outside of the court. So that is called as a dead ball. And if the foul is happened and the free kick or the penalty kick is going on, so there is a dead ball. Next is extra time. This is an additional time of a play whenever there is a tie and is played in two halves of 15 minutes to decide the winner. Now extra time, there is a 0-all or 1-all score is there between the two teams. So 15 minutes of two half every team will get. 15 minutes again, two half they have to play. If still there is a tie, then it will go to the penalty section. Clear? Next is foul, a term used to describe the breach of the laws of football by a player, and this can be punishable by the free kick or the penalty. Now, if you are doing a foul on a box or the penalty area, then you will get a direct kick or the penalty. If you are doing a foul on the defensive side or the near to the half line, there will be a no penalty kick. Then you have to pass the ball to your team players. If you are doing on the near to the penalty area or the boxes, then you will get the penalty and you can shoot a direct goal. Next is free kick. Free kick is granting an unobstructed kick to a stationary ball, especially whenever the opposing team makes a foul. Goalkeeper, a specialized player who is also called as a goalie. The work of a goalkeeper is to stop the ball from reaching the goalpost behind him. Now, if free kick is a same foul as we discussed before this point, same goalie is the main to stop the ball from the. Yes, Kaustubh.
So, but when we take a free kick, there's a wall made by the opponent player. Now, so how is it unobstructed?
Opponent player, foul made by the opponent player, but it's on the box.
But when we take a free kick, like the opponent player stand at a distance from the ball and make a goal,
yes,
right? So how
correct,
is it unobstructed?
Correct. They can stand. There is some distance from the shooters or the opposite team player. They have to stand from the shooters. They can distract them. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay, next is handball. The term used when the player use their hands or arm while playing or passing the ball. This is considered to be offensive in the game. Now everyone knows this is a football game. If you are using the hand, it is illegal. You have to use your other body parts. You can use your head, chest. If you are using a hand, it's a illegal, or referee gives a blow whistle for the foul. Next is head. To head the ball means to play the ball with the forehead, be it to clear, pass, or to score the goal. Now, if your team player is passing, the ball is too high. You have to take the judgment if you are ready to take the head and you have to score a goal or pass. So you can go and use your forehead or head. Next is mark. When the game is in the man-to-man situation. Now, what is man-to-man situation? Can anyone please explain man-to-man situation?
So when each and every man is marking another opposite team man.
Yes, correct. So man-to-man situation, you have to catch the opposite team players. One person can stick to their man. If I am wearing a 15 number t-shirt and your captain or your goalie will tell you that catch a 15 number, so that person have to be with the 15 number. You don't have to hold his hand and you have to roaming here and there. That is not applicable. You have to look to that 15 number. You have to be with 15 number. If you are holding his hand, putting your hands on his shoulder, that is not applicable. It goes to the foul situation. Clear? The defender is set to mark the attacker. Same. The further he is to him, the loser the marking, and the closer he's play to him, the tighter the marking. Now, if you are same, if the another team have the strong player, if you are putting man-to-man situation or man-to-man defense, so if you are putting a man-to-man defense, he can't able to score the goal. But that time you don't have to be doing a foul or hit that person. You have to follow the rules and regulation according to the terms. Next is man of the match. Now everyone knows man of the match. A term used the best player of the game. Now whoever the referees or the organizing committee, when there is a man of the match situation, the all will look to the player, his skills, his coordination with team players, his sportsmanship, his behavior at the ground, everything. Then according to the man of the match will give to that person or the player. Own goal, a situation where a player unintentionally kick the ball into his own goal, is considered as or self goal. Own or self goal. Now own goal, it's a situation that someone is among from our team player is doing unintentionally. He doesn't want to score the goal, but unintentionally it happens. But that goal is a consider. The official will count own or self goal. Next is pass, an action where a player kicks the ball to his teammate. Passing everyone knows. Next is penalty, the situation where a player kicks the ball from the penalty spot and there is only one defender near the goal, that is goalkeeper. If the foul is happened inside the box and there is a penalty mark also, so you have to keep your ball over there and you have to score direct a goal. Next is period. Football game is divided into two halves in a time, first half and second half. Now there is a 45 minutes each half. Total is 90 minutes you have to play. If the game is tie, you have to play 30 minutes more. It's totally depend on the situation. 45 minutes you have to play the first half, and second half is 45 minutes. Now you can think that how much stamina and the speed we want. Next is pitch. The football field is a called as a pitch for easy use. Referee, the official in charge of the game. Referee is the final decision maker in the game. He used to one who checks the time and stop the game when it's over. Players cannot enter or leave the field without his consent. It is the responsibility of the referee to see that game, ball, and players all are conform to the rules of the game. There are two assistant referees in the game. Now, that assistant referee job is to guide the main referee. If the ball is went out the line, sideline, the referee can't able to reach and tell the decision over there. If he's standing at the center and the ball is totally went or at that corner side, so there is one referee to guide him and he raised the flag, as we call as a lineman also. So his job is to tell the main referee, then he will blow the whistle and he will show the his hand or the ball position. Next is red card, a decision of the referee where he decide if a player has made an offense and then ask him to leave the game for the remaining duration. Now, if your behavior is not good on the court or the field and you are doing a deliberately something not applicable, you are doing illegal thing on the court, then the referee first will give you a warning. There is a yellow card also. We'll go on the next topic. Then, so if yellow card showing to you, then there is a warning. Again you are doing same yellow card means one red card. After again you are doing again second red card, you have to leave the court for the remaining duration or for the remaining match. Next is striker kick, to kick the ball forward while the player leans sideways and the ball is kicked the direction which he is playing. The kick is performed while the player completely off the ground. Score line. Score line indicates of score of the both the terms, which also has the information about the home ground. If the score lines shows ABC 0 and DEF 2, this means the game is won, ABC's home ground, and the winner is DEF with 2 goals. Next is tackle, a term used when a player uses his body to the ball from the opponent. It can be shoulder charge. Clean tackle means successfully take the ball from the opponent with a foul. Now everyone knows tackle. If you're going and you're doing a defense. So if you're able to take the ball, you can use your shoulder charge. That is totally depend on skill, how you take the ball from his position. Next is time. The football game is divided into 2 halves and each half dedicated to be strictly for the 45 minutes in any professional game. Yellow card. This is show to the player, warning him that he has committed a serious offensive in the match. It is followed by another yellow card in case other offensive, same red card. Now these are the position which player where there is job. So each football team has 11 players and among these players one is goalie. Be it the offensive or the defensive team, the player responsibility is to score the goal for the team and stop the opposite team from scoring a goal. Following diagram shows various position of the player on the football field. A list of the player position and their responsibility is also provided. Now in that image you can see there is a striker. 2 strikers are there. Their main role is to score the goal. Sometimes they are called as a striker. We call as a center forward also. Next is midfielders, left side, center and the right side. Next is defender. Defender used to stand at the defensive side. Left back, center back, 2 center backs and right back. And one is the goalie. Defender job is to stop the other team from the scoring the goal. Midfielder's job is that helps defend and also try to get the ball to the forwards. Goalkeeper job is the only player that can use her hand in penalty area, then try to stop the goal. Here, football players and their position. Now same is written different and describe each and everything. Here till over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Regarding any doubt now?
No, sir.
Now only the skill part is left. Ronak, what about you? You are not attending so many of session. You only attend 9th April session. Ronak,
Sir, sir, I am having network connections.
okay. Have you sent a mail regarding this to Pooja ma'am or Afrin ma'am? Ojit, clear? I think you joined late. How many of you joined late?
I joined 7 or 8 minutes late.
Okay, so you have any doubt? Arlene,
No, sir.
Abdul, Amay knows very well football. He loves to play football. So he knows might be more than me. Am I right or wrong, Amay? Amay?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you something. You are not replying. Where is Uttirna? So many of absentees today. Okay. Today, anyhow, I want the basketball question and answer. I get only Aishwarya's mail. Is that clear? At the last, you have to face no problem then. Because it shows you a marks. This is your practical. Clear? Now only football we have the skill part is left. Probably next we'll finish the football also. Clear? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.